Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm Koncho Sampo. In this video, I want to tell you something that is important. Because I have been seeing many people in videos who are playing with animals' lives for just laughing. We are human beings, so we should feel others' suffering. If we take an example of ourselves, we will see how much suffering there is when we harm others. Like us, all sentient beings want to be happy. It is the same as not wanting to suffer. For that reason, even if we cannot help others, we shouldn't harm anyone, including animals and insects, on purpose. Therefore, I think it is important that we always should remind ourselves about that, because it is a very reasonable thought. So please don't play with animals' lives for just laughing. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you.